Hey there, fellow traders. Welcome back to Insider Financial. I'm Alex Carlson, and in this video, we will recap today's stock market action and discuss our game plan for tomorrow. But before we dive in, to get our market moving reports on top small caps, click that link in the description or go to signup.insiderfinancial.com or sign up with your email on any of the pop-ups on insiderfinancial.com. After you sign up with your email, you can then sign up with your mobile number. Text messages are the fastest way to get our alerts, and it works for all numbers worldwide. Simply enter your country code first, followed by your number. For US and Canada, be 1+ area code and number. Never begin the format with 0. It will not work. And after you sign up, you'll get a welcome email, which includes a free copy of our ebook. Our ebook, our email service, and our text messaging service are all free service from Insider Financial. We don't run any Telegram groups, Discords, or paid subscription services. Well, guys, Wall Street on Wednesday rebounded from its previous session in which hotter than expected consumer inflation data sent U.S. stocks reeling. The tech-heavy Nasdaq composite led the three major averages today, rising 1.3%. The benchmark S&P 500 closed up 0.96% at 5,000 even, while the blue chip Dow climbed 0.4%. Of the 11 S&P sectors, 9 ended in the green. A surge in shares of Uber Technologies provided a boost to the S&P 500 after the ride-hailing giant set some aggressive 3-year targets and said it would buy back up to $7 billion of its common stock. U.S. stocks on Tuesday saw a sharp decline after the Consumer Price Index report for January came in hotter than expected on both a headline and core basis. The figures showed that the fight against inflation was far from over and led to market participants dialing back their expectations for Fed interest rate cuts. Chicago Fed President Austin Goolsbee on Tuesday at an event soothed market fears somewhat. He said, "Let's not get amped up when you get 1 month of CPI that was higher than you expected it to be," Goolsbee cautioned. Treasury yields declined a day after the hot CPI data sent yields to their highest levels of the year. The longer end 30-year yield was down 2 basis points to 4.44%, while the 10-year yield was down 5 basis points to 4.27%. The shorter end, more rate-sensitive 2-year yield was down 7 basis points to 4.58%. Bitcoin resumed its multi-day bull run Wednesday after Tuesday's CPI-induced slump, taking its market cap back over $1 trillion. The largest crypto by market value surged 6.1%. It's now over 52,000. This is the highest level since December 2021. Gains are made across the crypto sphere, with Ether jumping over 4.6% to $2,760. This is the highest since May 2022. In all, the global crypto market cap advanced 3.8% to $1.93 trillion. Bitcoin and Ethereum account for 70% of the entire market value. Traders are starting to put Bitcoin's all-time high of around 69,000 in November 2021 on their radar. A lot of options trading, a lot of options call buys above that price. So I think we're going to get a little bit of a squeeze. At that time, its market cap was at 1.28 trillion. The risk-on session pulled many crypto-related stocks. MicroStrategy was up 12%. Coinbase was up 14%. Marathon Digital was up 14%. RIOT Platforms up 14%. Robinhood, good earnings report, was up 13%. And TeraWulf, WULF, was up 12%. Robinhood posted a surprise Q4 profit, and noting that crypto revenue of $43 million was up 10% from a year ago. On tomorrow, notable companies due to report include Applied Materials, John Deere, Stellantis, DoorDash, Wendy's, and Coinbase is reporting tomorrow. Options trading implies large share price moves for SunPower, SPWR, big short position. I talked about that one last the other day, and Roku, ROQU, after they report. We're also going to get the January PPI. Economists forecast a 0.1% month-over-month increase. We're also getting the initial University of Michigan consumer sentiment reading for January will be released. On Friday, no major earnings reports or economic releases. It's a long weekend with markets closed on Monday for Washington's birthday. In terms of small caps that I am watching, Altimmune, ALT, was up 6.5% after Jefferies said it saw Tuesday's sell-off as a buying opportunity. On Tuesday, Altimmune shares plunged 19% following the release of a short report by Kerrisdale Capital. I highlighted this one back in December. You can go into the magnifying glass, type in any symbol, and you can see what we've had to say, get our full coverage. It's all right there. Hot stocks, ALT, been all over this one. Last year was our big runner in December, ran all the way to $13. Has since pulled back. As I said, we got that short and distort report, and Jefferies is out with a rebuttal today. They said in their note today that they saw the report as slim on substance, while misinterpretation, miscategorization of data related to Altimmune's GLP-1 drug Pemvidutide. We see the pullback as a buying opportunity as ALT continues the discussions for potential partnerships and prepares for the EOP2 meeting with the FDA in the second half of this year. Jefferies has a buy rating on the stock with a price target of $35, and we are here at $9.01. COGT, COGT, was up over 50% today as it announced a securities purchase agreement for a private investment in public equity, a PIPE, that is expected to result in gross proceeds of about $225 million. COGT would sell 17 million shares for $7.50 per share. It closed at $5.57 the previous day. This is a 37% premium to its, again, the closing price on February 13th. COGT intends to use the net proceeds from the proposed financing to fund research and development, activities relating to bezuclastinib and other product candidates, as well as for working capital and general corporate purposes. The placement also included Series B non-voting convertible preferred stock, convertible into about 13 million shares of its common stock to a select group of institutional and accredited healthcare specialist investment. The private placement expected to close on or about February 16th, subject to customary closing conditions. And big 13F filing from Nvidia with the SEC today, giving a glimpse at the closely watched company's investment strategy. It has a history with ARM, which Nvidia attempted to acquire for $40 billion in 2020. That deal ultimately crumbled under regulatory pressure, and Nvidia walked away in February 22. Notably, the company has a market cap today of $123 billion. A company also filed holdings in SoundHound, SOUN. The SoundHound investment was taken as a bullish sign by the company's investors. Its shares soared as much as 55% in late trading after the stake was disclosed. SoundHound makes AI software for audio recognition. Nvidia was cited as a SoundHound investor in 2017. The ARM stake was the largest in dollar terms, amounting to $147.3 million. And then you got Recursion Holdings, Recursion Pharmaceuticals, RXRX, was valued at $76 million, and then SoundHound, $3.67 million. Nvidia also disclosed smaller holdings in medical image developer NNOX Imaging, NNOX, and also the self-driving company Two Simple Holdings, TSPH, on the OTC. Been a while since an OTC stock caught my interest. This is certainly big news. Following the failed Nvidia takeover, ARM became the biggest IPO of last year. It remains majority owned by SoftBank which acquired the chip designer in 2016 for $32 billion. SoftBank has benefited from a dramatic rally in ARM shares this year. The stock is up more than 2/3, increasing its market cap to, as said, nearly $130 billion. CHNR closed at $1.03 today. It's getting a pump in the after hours. China Natural Resources. This is a history of pumps and then the dump coming. So trade it, don't own it, guys. 3 biotechs with major insider buying. First up is TNYA Therapeutics, TNYA. We got filing a 10% owner bought almost $10 million at $4.50. Director David Godel also bought almost $10 million worth here at $4.50. We closed at $5.50 today. SANA, Sano Biotech, we got the filing director and 10% owner, all buying here at $5.50. Again, this is $30 million buys across the board. Big insider buying right there at $5.50. And lastly is Guts, Fractal Health, recent IPO, just been absolutely getting decimated. We had big, they all were buying at the $15 offering price. So again, just new filing here, Mark Elia, CVF LLC, Ajay Royan, and Mithril LP, all buying here at $15, and the stock is at $7.41. In terms of low floats, guys, there's a lot of floats runner. Small caps are hot, but be very, very careful. A lot of red candles on the daily chart. So you see here, DTSS was up 510%. A lot of people thought, oh, everyone made money today. No, the stock ended near the lows. So a lot of people bag hold it in DTSS. So be careful, guys. Again, a lot of red candles on these daily charts. I will, of course, be scanning pre-market each trading day. If I see anything else, I will let subscribers know. That's why it's so important to sign up, and it's completely free. At Insider Financial, we put stocks on your radar with potential outsized moves. As I repeatedly stated, there are always opportunities in the markets daily. The important thing is identifying which stocks to be in to grab that money. The key is trading green, not red. We are looking for those momentum plays that have catalysts. It's all about finding momentum before it happens and riding that wave. That's what we're doing here at Insider Financial. And to get our small cap reports, we cover low floats, short squeezes, recent IPOs, biotech FDA plays, AI stocks, EV stocks, lithium stocks, and insider buying. Click that link in the description or go to signup.insiderfinancial.com or sign up on any of the pop-ups on Insider Financial. No spam, your info is never shared. Unsubscribe anytime. You can even sign up just to see the level of research we do here at Insider Financial and unsubscribe. Remember, Insider Financial and I are not investment advisors. This video does not provide investment advice. Always do your research, make your own investment decisions, or consult with your nearest financial advisor. This video is not a solicitation or recommendation to buy, sell, or hold securities. This video is our opinion, is meant for informational and educational purposes only, and does not provide investment advice. Past performance is not indicative of future performance. Thanks for joining me today on Insider Financial. Hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell to never miss the latest insights and strategies. Until next time, happy trading. This is Alex Carlson signing off. Bye-bye.